Alright, do you want the good news or the bad news first? I feel like bad news is inevitable. Everything sucks, so we should just accept it and talk about that first. Bad news is, apparently the last time that I played Subnautica, I did not hit the start record button. So I like to think that I just talked to myself for basically an hour. The good news, on the other hand, is that all I did in the last episode is basically just mine resources and build. I didn't really do a whole bunch. I decided, like, I don't know if there's more plot stuff where we're at. It seems like there's a lot of places to explore. We got a new map. So I was like, I'm gonna go build new things, get better equipment, and then I'll try to like continue looking around. So having said that, it's not all lost. You only missed me like basically talking to myself as I mined. But I'm gonna show you all the stuff that I spent like 8 hours building between then and now. So let's pop into it. Okay, first of all, welcome to my new base. I'm gonna go outside and then show you. Eee! I have done so much. I'm so mad that you missed it. But on the other hand, it was probably really boring. I decided I didn't like my base being way up there, and I wanted to be closer to this hole because there's lots of resources and stuff down here. That's also where the angry lady is. So I completely redid my base and spent a long time just getting equipment, putting everything together. I also figured out that you can make these little planters. It's this thing here, the exterior grow bed. I don't remember doing this in the first Subnautica, so I don't know if I was just an idiot. But apparently, like when you go up to a plant in the game, check this out. Everybody knows this apparently except for me. You get seeds and stuff from it, and then you just put it in your planter. Ta-da! And then it will grow new ones. So I've been like hitting every single type of plant that I could find. These things I got from the inside of the vent garden, believe it or not. No clue where I found this thing. But it's super useful. It's nice to be able to have these things here, in part because it helps to power the base, but also, I don't know, I like sustainability, so it's nice. Next on the list, the Observer, our sea truck. There are a lot of cool modules that we could add on to it. I like this so much more than the Cyclops already. How do I even get in? I gotta go in the butt. Alright, so this first module here that's new, this is like a docking module, and so this prawn suit that I built, called the prawn shrimp by the way, can actually attach to the truck, which is awesome. This one's dark, but it's a fabricator, so it's almost like a little mini base because anywhere I go, I can make the stuff that I need to make. This is just a storage module. I've thought about making another one, so I had some excess storage, and then of course the aquarium model for earlier. So, sea truck, 10 out of 10, super awesome, we'll do it again. Alright, let's see. Let's move on to the inside biz. That is obviously the prawn suit that I finally made. I decided again,
welcome aboard, Captain.
If I'm going to be like exploring and stuff, it would be super helpful to have something that can actually, you know, drill and whatever. So I made the prawn suit. I think I gave it the grappling arm already, or I'm in the progress of working on that. I can't remember. I think that's it, right? Yes. Okay. So thankfully, using the upgrade stuff, we've been able to do that. Let's go this way first. I'm super impressed with the jukebox. I don't know if there was this in the first game I never built, but you can like build speakers around your base and listen to it. This is the bedroom area. I like it because now I can see all the stuff that's like above, all the lily pads. This is Sam's bed that I actually built, so I put a picture of Sam right above it. And this is the office. Wish my office had a view like this, but it's still nice. There's Potato. Go downstairs. This is just a storage room for now. A bioreactor in the middle. I store like organic stuff in these lockers that I can use to fill the bioreactor. And then I try to be organized and like label all the different things that I'm getting in big quantities because it makes it easier. I made a scanner room. You can scan for specific resources. I haven't actually looked to see how you upgrade it. Oh, streams data from scanner to the HUD. That would be super useful for specific things. But I don't know what magnite is, magnetite. I think in the first Subnautica when you built the scanner room, didn't it come with 2 camera drones? But apparently we have to make camera drones. And then you can enhance the speed and the range. So it's super nice. because if you're looking for something specific, you know, it'll pop up and kind of show you on the map. Having the ability to put it on the HUD would actually be really useful. Interesting. Alright, let's look here real quick. I did add something. What did I add? I upgraded the tanks. Now it's the ultra high capacity tank, which does 225. And then I made the still suit, which I guess I had plans for. It reclaims moisture from the body, and so you'll see these little like pee bags here. I don't know if it's implying that I literally drink my own pee, but moving on. I have another bioreactor here, and I've been collecting shrub nuts. I think I got these on land at one of the bases, and I had stored in my storage somewhere. These things are pretty cool. I don't think they work super well for this like bioreactor, but in terms of like eating and stuff, it's 10 health, 15 food, and 5 H2O. So like a really good resource to have. Let's see. I'll just leave some extra here for later. A coffee machine. I don't know what we're supposed to put in there. I wonder if you put water in there, will it actually make coffee? This is what we need next, I think. We need to upgrade the sea truck depth and the prawn suit depth, but they both involve kyanite, nickel, plasteel, and I remember those were things I think we had to get when we went like super deep in the first one. Fishies, mainly so I can eat. This is the jukebox that you can control. A vending machine that actually works. So like lots of bags of chips. And of course the water filtration machine that we have. So I have room to like keep building here. I don't know all what I have planned yet, but that's the setup that I've got going on. So I'm hoping I don't have to build another one. It would be nice to just be done. Now having said that, I love the prawn suit, but I'm so scared of it getting stuck. Oh, I guess it's unpowered. I did do some stuff with the vehicles I'm also hoping will help. I made an ion power cell, and I think each one I only have one ion power cell for now. But I'm hoping what that will do is provide me a little bit more energy so that I don't have to like constantly be running around like a madman and having to come back to the base. I was checking my power there. Let me turn this. It was kind of fun to just spend a long time building or whatever. It just gave me so much time in the game to think about stuff, which I like. So that is the incredibly long sea truck now. I think it's so much more compact than the Cyclops. I like that. So that's how it looks now with the prawn suit attached to the end. It's literally just like a little mini mobile base that you can just take with you. Now before I go back adventuring, I'm gonna head back to the glacial basin. I think that's what it's called. I've been debating whether I should make this or not, and I don't know. I say that because one thing that I was looking at here on the map is it says there are research locations accessible via spy pingling. I'm assuming that's what like that red circle is and those little blue symbols. I guess it would be beneficial, right? And it looks kind of cute. Oh, goodness. What do I need? I already forgot. Dang it. Titanium, wiring kit, silicone rubber, battery. Alright, we're gonna make it.
Without spy penguins, scientists may have never discovered that penguins incubate their eggs in small cave burrows, often alongside thermal lily roots.
That's cool. Let's look at it. Can we like investigate it or anything? Spy pingling, Pingris. Remote controlled observation robot. And we have the remote now, so I'm hoping that we can use it in more than one place, but I'm not incredibly sure exactly how it works. I'm kind of excited to try it out. There is something that I haven't built yet that I'm thinking I might need, and I'm not sure if I should just go ahead and try to do it. There's the laser cutter, which I know earlier in like an episode or two ago, we were on a ship and there were like crates that we could only open with that, so I'm sure there's goodies inside or data banks. And the propulsion cannon, and I only say that because I remember too, there's a couple areas I've seen where it looked like you could do something with the propulsion cannon, so I need to make one of these before I move on. Alright, we'll drop off all the excess stuff back here. I think we're ready. I think so. I think we are ready. I'm going to save just in case, and then let's skedaddle. One of the other things I did in the last episode that got cut off too, I think, is I put more waypoints out. So I went to all these specific places. I'll show you this new one over here that I put down, just so I had an easier time finding stuff. I'm not seeing two of them that I know are there. I found a couple ships nearby here. That one's a big old hole. There's some ships over here somewhere that I also put some stuff down, so we'll check that out at some point. But for now, I want to show you where I want to build a small tiny base. I call it the penguin base. It is on the same glacial basin area as the Fire Robotics landing pad, but there's a bunch of penguins that I found nearby. So we're gonna head over there at warp speed, literally, because we have an upgrade, and then we'll tune back in. What does this arm do? It just pinches. Alright. Oh, I was so nervous that it wasn't gonna fit. 'Cause I remember the other thing didn't fit either. Does this mean that we can go, like, further in, perhaps? Maybe there's stuff that we missed. I don't know. We'll just go. Yeah, see, we need a drill arm for resources, right? That's not doing nothing. A rock puncher. Okay. A large crustacean which feeds on tiny larvae excavated from coral and rock with its powerful punching arms. Attracted to glow larvae found in and around deep-sea rock formations. Hardened chitin claws can thrust forward at close to the speed of sound to break rock and bone alike. Known to attack larger creatures which threaten its territory, perfectly adapted to cave environments, its 6 legs adhere to walls, can propel at short distances, heavily armored, only vulnerable due to Leviathan class things. You wanna go? Oh god, is it gonna fight me? Okay, no, I thought you were trying to be aggressive. I like the coloration. Now we can probably see its mouth part. Are you trying to fight me? I don't understand what's happening. I'll fight you. Look, I got my own rock puncher now. I remember when you hit me in the face earlier. You remember that? I remember that. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you okay? Ah, I did it again! That's the wrong arm. I was trying to hit you with the suction pad. I assume that one doesn't hurt as bad. I'm so sorry. Please. Ah! Stop, sir. You know what? What happens if you just keep punching them? I'm sorry. I gotta do it for science. Science. Oh my god. I hate everything about how that looked. I hate everything about that. I'm so sorry. Also, don't mind me just coming to check out your corpse. Yeah. Okay, now we can get close. Wow. It's got like this hardened plate above its head, which makes sense, right? If it's punching stuff, it doesn't want to get hit itself. And then these are the big meaty claws. It really does remind me of like a mantis shrimp. It's got kind of a similar coloration and everything. I wish we could see under it. Lots of arthropods, like crawfish or lobsters, have like, what are they called? Swimmerettes. They're these little tiny swimmerettes that are under here that they actually flap to move around more precisely. So like, these are just like the walking legs, but those would be more like swimming legs, swimming appendages, I guess. Well, I'm gonna leave his murdered corpse there and keep going. Is that your baby? Anyway, back in here. Nothing to see here, nothing to see here. Did you see that? That is what I wanted to see this whole time. It ate one of the grubs off the rock. I totally saw it do that, right? Oh my god, stop, please. I'm like 100% sure I saw it eat the grub. Hello? Excuse me, God. Ooh. I'm assuming that's Ruby. Are they just like following me around? Do they know that I have their baby? An offering. An offering for you. No, I gave you food. That did not work. This is also why they tell you at like you know, wildlife places to not try to feed the wildlife. Look, it's fascinating. I messed up again. It's fine. That's exactly what I wanted. Oh, ooh, I did it twice. Uh-huh. Just gotta make sure that's locked up tight in there. Yep. Okay, let's get out of here. How many carts can you have on the sea truck? That's a question that I need answered. And also, why is there not more animal poop? Answer that, Subnautica. It's impossible, you can't. I don't know if there's any kind of weapon that you can get for the ship, but I do not have one yet. That would probably be smart to have. But then again, it really doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of threats. The only real Leviathan that I've come across that I had any issue with was the Chelicerate, I think. And as long as you avoid that, I've only seen like one or two maybe. It seems to be fine. I am a little bit curious about how these like deep sea communities work in Subnautica. I don't see a ton of like vegetation, which you'd expect, right? If you're deep enough that light's not penetrating, you're not going to have like a lot of photosynthetic organisms. But a lot of really deep communities that don't receive a ton of light really depend on marine snow or detritus. It's basically dead bodies and poop and all the organic material that eventually just kind of floats to the bottom. So I've seen like documentaries where when a whale dies and its carcass finally reaches like the bottom of the ocean, it's an absolute feeding frenzy, because all the organisms there, the hagfish, you know, the crustaceans, starfish, everything, they're just literally trying to get as much organic matter as they can, because who knows how long it'll be until that happens again. Alright. I don't want to hit these guys because I'd feel guilty. I'm sorry. Maybe they'll move. I am going to stop, actually, and I am going to hit one of these guys. Contradictory to what I just said. I want to know why they make this sound. Did that accomplish anything? Did I just kill it? Oh, I did, didn't I? Did I get anything? No, so I killed it for nothing. Oh. Good. I killed it for sport. I was hoping there was some reason that they make these sounds. It's gotta be them making that sound, right? Oh! Do you have a butt? Am I supposed to look at your butt? I don't like what I see, and I'm leaving immediately. Actually, I need to look one more time. Hold on. Is that its mouth? I got it, I got it, I got it. He says, stop looking at me. Well, this was fun. Goodbye. I'm sorry. I hate the sound of their corpses. Is this the same one or something different? Is this a baby? It's their egg. It looks like sperm. Yeah, it looks exactly like sperm. Like, that's the flagella. I'm taking these for science. Ooh, and we also picked up a rock puncher egg. We haven't found like an aquarium module yet to build in the base, but I'm hoping that that's a thing because I really want to have this, like all the creature eggs and talk about creatures later in the game. Alright. Now we just have to navigate this place that I left minimal beacon and help at, and I'm sure it'll be fine with this gigantic sea truck that I did not think about. We just gotta follow where the next green thing is. There's the penguin, so we know we're getting close. Please don't get hit by my massive sea truck. Yes! Okay, we are back in the glacial basin now, I'm pretty sure. There's these stalkers swimming around. I've not seen them hunt, which is something I do want to see at some point. I'm assuming they eat the penguins. That's a baby. Somewhere up here. There we go. Right? Yes. Correct. Ouch. Okay. We got the thing. Now here's my conundrum is I want to be able to have the prawn suit here. I'm going to try to use the prawn suit on land, but I remember from the first Subnautica that it got stuck like 1,000 times, and it made me really angry, and I eventually lost it twice because I was a dummy. So I'm not going to save until I get back in the water with the prawn suit.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Wish me luck. I'm hoping it has since been upgraded to where it is no longer a problem. As far as over here, I don't really know what to even begin to do. We haven't been here yet. I came just enough. I came to this hole and I realized that we could come up and down here, and then I built these two things with no power or anything that I was supposed to remember to bring back stuff to build a door, but I don't think that I did. Yeah. Typical me stuff, you know. If only we had a drill arm and we could drill for resources, that would be great. I guess our goal now for the rest of the episode is just to explore. Glacial Basin, there's a few things on the map that I was curious about. Let's go back up to that. Okay, so for one, there's a bridge somewhere, right? We looked at it, couldn't figure out how to turn it on. Or is it that bridge over there? I don't know if that's even a bridge. Actually, I think that's exactly where I am on the map. I'm a big dumb. There is a bridge of some kind, but it's like not working. I don't know if that's important for like story plot stuff. But there's also this other half of the map that we're close to now. So I think we need to go this direction. I see some pingling little markers, some purple trees, and a big tower of some kind. In terms of plot, we are looking for something to put in like the wind tower to disable it so Altera can't use it, and then Marguerite or whatever is going to be willing to work with us. So that's a thing. Oh yeah, it said that they nest in caves, right? Are there little eggs in here? Oh no! The baby! Oh my god, oh my god. I'm just holding it, hold on. There. I was just picking it up so it would stand up straight. I'm so sorry. I deserve that. In fact, you're right. I do. Oh, they're so cute though. I want to continue to pick it up. Look at its little feathers. It's got little baby feathers. Would it be bad if I kidnapped one? Like, they're not even paying attention to it. You know, I could take it back to my base. Do you think it could just run around? Am I really contemplating kidnapping one of these? I'm sorry. Ah! His name is Reginald now. I'm leaving. Babies. Oh my god, please, I don't want to hurt you, but I will, because I need to see if I can kidnap the child. I mean... Don't know what that is. Please don't be mad, please don't be mad, please don't be mad, please don't be mad. Anyway, Yep. Oh, I'm an idiot. If they're mammals, they probably give like live birth, right? Oh, this is my... I was like, what? This is where I just came from. Excuse me. Oh, I didn't even read the thing about them. I'm an idiot. Hold on. Listen. Stop it. Go away. Stop it. Stop hitting yourself. I just want to see the baby. I'm pretty sure we scanned this. Haha. Psych. What? Their fur? You can collect their fur? How? Oh my god. Oh my god, no, please. This is my worst nightmare. I killed the mom right on top of the baby. I was just trying to figure out how to get the fur. Did I just seriously take the fur off the corpse? Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna cry. I don't like this. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Maybe she's just sleeping. She's just resting. I'm gonna leave now. And I'm not gonna cry. I'm a big, strong woman. Yeah, see, look, there's the dad. He'll take care of him. Ooh. Well, you know, we're gonna forget our murder, and we're gonna keep going this direction, I guess. It is hard to see here. I don't know where I should be going. I think this is a spy pingling thing, right? It's gotta be what that's for. But I don't know how to use it. Let's see. What do I do? Yes. What do I do? Am I gonna freeze while I do this? I don't know what to do. You can self-destruct? Why would I want to do that?
Dangerous weather approaching. Seek shelter.
I don't understand what I'm doing. Wow. Wow. It's not good at turning. Ooh, we need this to,
Sam must have stashed this here. She was gonna use this antibacterial agent to neutralize the bacterium.
There's no way that this was supposed to be a thing. What? Is there more I should do? I am hesitantly optimistic. There is a Leviathan with Kara. Ooh, look, it's us. There is a Leviathan with Kahara somewhere in this area. I don't know if it's here in the Glacial Basin area, but it's in the map somewhere that Sam had like discovered that has that bacteria Kahara. And when we went to her like base or whatever, I remember specifically there was an audio where somebody that she was talking to said that they were like studying it, and Sam was really concerned that Altera was going to use it for bad purposes. So I kind of think there's like some kind of weird conspiracy theory where they said that she's dead, but really it's just a cover up. I pingling! Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna let you fight my pingling. I'm sorry. That's what you get. I'm sorry. My baby. How do I pick this thing up again? Maybe I have to empty it? Antidote. I'm not making that up, right? An injectable container of antibacterial agent. Surely we got some kind of note there, right? I don't know what to do with it. But we have it. Should I save? I'm scared. I'm gonna bet, you know, actually now that I think about it, I'm gonna bet I know where we are. Let's see if we can orient ourselves. I bet we're where that red circle is around the pingling. So to get to that area we haven't been, maybe we go up there. It's awake. Oh my god, it's adorable. I love you. Ooh, yeah. My bad. I said my bad. Please, I said my bad. I'm so sorry, I shouldn't have done that. You're joking. Well, we found the thing. Is there something else on the map here? I see a couple pingling spots here, and there's a big tower somewhere, but I can't see the tower. There's gotta be a purpose, right? Nobody wants your flare. I don't think I've used a flare this entire game. There's gotta be a purpose to all this, I assume, I hope. I swear I'm hearing stuff. Ooh! Look, it's something that we don't have. Hold on. Magnetite. I hear something breathing right behind me. Hello? I swear I keep hearing stuff. We should grab some of this. That seems important. Oh, a steam vent. These glacial steam vents, or I can never say this word, are periodic intense hot water vapor eruptions that emerge from crevices in the ice sheet. The temperatures of the steamy water eruption is hot enough to cause severe first-degree burns in any accidental bystander, though standard Altera multi-purpose dive suits are sufficient for averting skin damage. Sweet. I saw bones. You can't scan that? Is that a bird? Sky ray. Whoa! My mistake, Betty. Let's scan the thing. Frost acacia. This unusual multi-trunked tree is highly adapted to the harsh conditions of its glacial environment. Nutrient sources are infrequent and limited on the glacier, and these trees create fast-growing root systems that search out rocky material trapped beneath the ice. The dense foliage captures energy from the sun via photosynthesis and provides a sheltered environment for the growth of its bioluminescent fruit. So it does have fruit. And lots of places like the tundra or other Arctic places, it's really hard for trees and other plants to grow that need root systems because it's got like a layer of ice beneath the snow, and so you can imagine that they can't really penetrate that far. And I've somehow lost the spire thing that I saw earlier. I feel like it was here. Well, there it is. We found something.
Combined with a frozen water source, water purification tablets can create drinkable water as you explore the snowy surface.
Is this not what we needed? Combine with a snowball. Ooh. I'm gonna save. I don't think I can fit my prawn suit in here. Look, more stuff. Oh my gosh. I'll come back. This is cool. Parvin Ivanov? That name sounds familiar. Oh my god, is there gonna be somebody in here?
Did the person who worked here also live in storage?
This is like the scene from The Matrix when he goes in the room and there's all that stuff.
My dearest Adeline and Rosita. Not dearest. Who says that anymore?
Oh, it's the mine guy.
Adeline,
Mining guy.
Rosita. Everything on the mission is going very well. Do you see now? Your doubts were unfounded. I am loved here, and... no. Rosita will say, Papa, why do you have to brag all the time? Papa, it's embarrassing. I want to apologize. Okay, no, that's taking things too far. I know we didn't leave things on the best note, but I want you to know I love you and I miss you. I don't know why I say the things I say sometimes. They just come out. I was going to send you a message saying how great everything is here and how everyone loves me. I've had a promotion to a very important security dossier. I'm treated like a hero. But really, this is a cold, wet planet. The scientists are full of themselves. There's no action to speak of. The only thing I look forward to is weekly games of Alien Intruder, but more than that, of coming home to you. I am sorry for all the times I did not appreciate you, of our family, or the good life we had. And who am I kidding? I can't send this. What's the use?
Oh my gosh. I wonder really what happened to all the scientists. Like, why are they not here anymore? I'm assuming they must be dead somehow, but why, I don't know. But we haven't found any bodies either, so that's the only thing that makes me cautiously optimistic that we're gonna find our sister alive. That's nice. So this is a bunker? Maybe there are scientists in here.
What happened here?
I sense many things here. Death among them.
Is it dead or alive? I'm cautious. What are these little lights?
Hello? Someone there?
Oh, no.
Samantha? Is that you?
Oh, yeah. Told you I was investigating. Don't worry about me. I'm on my way out.
You can't keep doing this. We have protocols.
Parvin, stand back. Don't come any closer.
Why? What are you up to?
Parvin, I mean it. Stop.
Oh my god, no. I don't understand what I just heard. Is she dead, or did they just like get stuck in here or something? What happened? I guess we need to keep looking around to find out. And I'm really scared of that thing. I don't want to go over there. A necklace. Let's see. I'm super well hydrated.
This was Sam's necklace. She never took it off.
Why'd the music change?
My investigation of the fire excavation site, including the cave entrance and surrounding area, revealed minor cosmetic damage to Altera survey equipment and significant structural damage to the natural cave entrance and supports. Resulting debris prevents cave access without heavy excavation equipment. Only foot access is currently possible. We are reporting 2 casualties, Pavan Ivanov and Samantha Ayu. Both bodies were found beneath the rubble at the cave entrance. Ivanov had just entered the cave. Footprints were still visible by the entrance. Deeper into the cave, Ayu appeared to have sustained a fall. Poor souls.
Oh no.
What was Ayu doing? Nothing in her file suggests a history of vandalism or carelessness. And yet, I can only conclude that the cause of the collapse was employee negligence. We will need to investigate a possible connection to the explosive damage reported at Omega Lab. If there is a connection, who is responsible?
It appears that your sister's death was accompanied by significant destruction.
Doesn't make any sense. She would never destroy a base. Well, baselessly.
Oh, is it implying
Are your
she
feelings confused?
did this?
I am detecting more than one.
I don't know. I feel disillusioned, worried. I thought I knew Sam better than I really did. When we were kids, I was always the one breaking and rebuilding things. She wouldn't even go into a bake sale without a plan. For classic oatmeal cookies, no less. So serious. She wouldn't have anything to do with my molecularly transformed caramel pretzel lumps.
Your mind goes easily to food. To distract
Shut
you
up,
from your
Alan.
feelings.
Shut up.
Okay, I think
Shut
that's
up,
enough
Alan.
mind reading for now. This wasn't negligence. That's not Sam. This was something else.
I picked up another thing, I thought. Huh. Oh my god, we're going up to the head. Please don't blink. I'm so scared. Don't blink. I'm a big person. I'm a big, strong person. Oh god. I don't even want to look at it. Lots of room for a brain, but it's mostly bone and fat. Not very smart, I guess. We can insert the antidote here. But I'm not sure if we do what's gonna happen. I'm gonna keep looking first. Kara infected pustule. Environmental conditions and subtle mutations suggest that this variant of the Kara bacterium's rate of transmission is somewhat lower than that of the widespread outbreak that was previously reported. The bacteria's capacity to survive for long periods of time off the Leviathan's corpse suggests highly efficient saprophytic properties. Scans indicate that its pustules are merely the visible component of a dense bacterial network feeding off the dead cells of the Leviathan. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna slide off the head. Hold on. Whee! Don't blink. This says we can insert the antidote. I'm so scared. I don't know what's gonna happen. I guess we're gonna try. Oh, it's all the stuff from the Sea Emperor, like the glowy stuff.
I believe the antibacterial agent was effective. Without it, the bacteria could have spread. Now it cannot. Your sister's memory will live in you through this gesture.
Feels good. Doing this one last thing for Sam. I feel like I got some closure.
My people do not experience endings as you do.
Is this the end?
Do humans feel joy in realizing that you've reached the end of something?
Sometimes. Closure is a sense of resolution, like knowing that even though it still hurts, it'll be okay. I did what I came to do. I found out what really happened to her, and I got to finish her work. I learned a little bit more about the person I've looked up to for, well, my whole life. I wish I told her that more. Sam always wanted to make a difference. She wanted the bacteria contained to keep everyone safe. I'm grateful to give her that. I just wish I could have said goodbye.
Is that really it? I mean, I'm happy that I guess that we accidentally cured this thing, but I'm really kind of sad actually about the way her story ended up. I was so hoping that the sister was still alive. And I guess this thing really is dead. It's just cured now somehow. I don't know how to feel, honestly. Is that the end of it? guess. Wow, I'm gonna stop here so I can think about things, and then we'll try to figure out what is left to do next time. I mean, we haven't got like beamed out of here yet, so obviously something's still up, I guess. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked, feel free to like and subscribe, and otherwise, I hope you have a great day.